Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best chainsaws. Chainsaws are the go-to tool for a reason. They're the powerhouse you need for taking down those stubborn trees or clearing out thickets. But let's face it, finding the right one can be a bit of a puzzle. They're not your everyday workshop staple after all. That's why we've done the legwork for you. Here are the top 5 chainsaws on the market that are sure to meet your needs. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th chainsaw on our list is the WORX Power Share Cordless Chainsaw, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This 10-inch marvel is all about speed and precision, ensuring your cuts are swift and clean. What really sets it apart are the practical features. Adjusting the chain tension is a breeze with the automatic tool-free system. The battery indicator keeps you in the loop about remaining power. Plus, the auto chain lubrication guarantees smooth, efficient cuts and extends the tool's lifespan. Keep an eye on the oil level indicator for timely maintenance. Performance-wise, it's a star player. Imagine a chain speed of up to 12.5 feet per second. It breezes through branches and logs of reasonable size. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. The ergonomic handle soaks up any vibrations, providing a comfy grip and balanced weight distribution. For added safety, a handguard shields against flying debris. In terms of size, it hits the sweet spot. At 25 by 7.5 by 9.5 inches and weighing just 6.19 pounds, it offers a great balance between power and maneuverability. With its array of features and impressive performance, this chainsaw is set to become an essential tool in your arsenal. But let's talk real talk. It's true that compared to gas models, it might not pack the same punch, but that's not its main gig. Just be mindful of some potential kickbacks, especially with smaller limbs. Safety always comes first. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for lighter and smaller wood pieces and branches due to the unit's compact size and lightweight. The 4th chainsaw on our list is Greenworks Brushless Cordless Chainsaw, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. What sets this chainsaw apart? Convenience. With a hassle-free push-button start, there's no more wrestling with the gas, spark plugs, or tangled started ropes. Getting down to business has never been smoother. Performance, it's off the charts. Thanks to its 18-inch bar and chain, you'll experience minimal kickback for a seamless operation. In the heart of it all, the brushless motor cranks out double the torque. That translates to more power and longer runtime, quieter operation, and a motor that's built to endure. It can even tackle up to 150 cuts on a 4x4 lumber with just one charge, rivaling a 42cc gas chainsaw. Maintenance, a breeze. Easy just tensioning for the bar and chain, and an automatic oiler that keeps things slick and productive. Comfort matters, and Greenworks knows it. With an ergonomic grip and a wraparound handle, you'll be maneuvering and cutting with ease of a seasoned pro. But wait, there's more. The set comes complete with a 2.0 ampere battery and a rapid charger, ensuring you're geared up and ready to roll. In terms of size, it's neat and manageable at 18 by 7 by 10 inches. Now let's be honest, when it comes to handling heavy-duty tasks, this tool can be quite battery-consuming. To keep your workflow smooth, we suggest having 2 spare batteries on hand. With that, you'll breeze through your tasks like a seasoned pro. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who want a chainsaw built for larger logs. The 3rd chainsaw on our list is the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This 18-inch cordless electric chainsaw is the epitome of power wrapped in a lightweight package. It doesn't just perform, it performs like a champ, on par with its gas-powered counterparts. The X-Cut chain ensures maximum performance and sharpness even under the most demanding daily use. And let's talk about convenience. The toolless tensioning system makes slack adjustments a breeze. No fuzz, no hassle. Power? It's got it in spades. Thanks to a highly efficient brushless motor, you're looking at a machine built for both longevity and quiet operation. And here's the kicker. The boost mode kicks in, giving you a 25% power boost exactly when you need it. Now about that battery, it runs on a Husqvarna 40-volt lithium-ion battery, which plays well with all Husqvarna tools. Plus, an active cooling system ensures a steady flow of power and extends the battery's lifespan. Safety is paramount, and the 350i delivers. A chain brake with an illuminating indicator light kicks in whenever the brake is engaged, giving you added peace of mind. In terms of size, it measures a compact 18.9 by 8.8 by 9.4 inches and weighs in at just 7.72 pounds. But here's the scoop. When you get your hands on this powerhouse, remember that the battery and charger are sold separately, so be sure to snag those to complete your arsenal. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for smaller individuals or women due to its conveniently lightweight. The second chainsaw on our list is the Echo CS590-20 AA gas chainsaw, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Equipped with a robust 60cc, 2-stroke motor and an ample 20-inch bar, this unit means business. The inclusion of a decompression valve ensures smooth starts every time. Not to mention, the Echo's 5.3 HP motor dishes out more than enough power for any task at hand. Here's a neat feature: easy access. The air filter provides a no-tool entry, allowing you to separate components and give it a thorough clean from the inside. Kudos to the G-Force Pre-Cleaner for making maintenance a breeze. In terms of build, this saw is crafted from composite nylon reinforced material, ensuring both strength and durability. The main frame takes it a notch with its magnesium construction, holding up even under high temperatures. For your convenience, the CS590 comes with a translucent fuel tank, giving you a clear view of fuel levels. Plus, an automatic and adjustable clutch-driven oiler kicks in only when the chain is in motion, minimizing oil consumption. In the size department, it measures a sturdy 37 by 11 by 12 inches and weighs in at 20.10 pounds. Now let's talk turkey. It's true, this chainsaw does carry some heft, but that's the price of power. With its might, a bit of weight is to be expected. And trust us, when the task at hand is demanding, you'll appreciate every bit of that power. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who want maximum cutting power for larger wood pieces. The best chainsaw on our list is the Makita-UC4051A Chain Saw, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. At the top of the list, we have none other than the Makita-UC4051A Chain Saw. Designed to make all your cutting tasks easier, the Makita features a tool-less blade and chain that allow for quick and easy maintenance. On top of that, this unit is also ergonomically designed for maximum comfort thanks to its rubberized grip handles. Right next to the handle, you'll also see its sizable trigger switch that offers a soft start for the smoothest startups. Safety is also taken into consideration with its built-in current limiter, which protects the motor from burnout. This functions by reducing the power to the motor whenever the saw is overloaded. What's more, this chainsaw comes with a see-through window, allowing you to check the lubricant level inside the unit. In terms of performance, the Makita has a chain speed of 2900 FPM, allowing for highly efficient cutting and trimming. It also features a large metal spike bar that functions to grip the wood and minimize rotational kickback or push-pull reactive forces. Looking at the unit size, it measures 10 by 24.2 by 10.5 inches and weighs 12.3 pounds. Now, while the Makita delivers excellent performance, one limitation is that it's a bit complicated to assemble. We recommend asking for help from a friend just in case. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who want a long-term investment in their daily cutting routine. And there you have it, folks, our best chainsaws, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next chainsaw roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.